Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can install Pinterest to Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open your Pinterest business tag and then click on the add button. After clicking add button, click on the create ad button, and now you can select set up Pinterest tag button. Now you have to scroll down to the use an integration partner. After that, select get started button, and now copy the URL of your website and paste it on the Pinterest tag. Now click on check and now select Shopify. After selecting Shopify, open your Shopify admin page in the new tab. After logging into your Shopify store, and then click on apps button. After clicking the apps button, click on the view more apps button and type Pinterest. After finding Pinterest app, click on the add button and then go to add sales channel. After that, click on connect Pinterest account and give access, write your credentials and log into your Pinterest account. So that's how you will install Pinterest to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.